Hi guys, Thunder E here and welcome to my review of the Buffalo MiniStation Air. This is a portable wireless hard drive that can connect to multiple devices at the same time. So right now you're seeing I'm streaming content right there on the right, that directly from the Buffalo MiniStation here, and I can also connect more devices at the same time. Now this is unique. It retails for $159 and it's got a 3000 milliamp battery in there, which you can use to recharge devices using this USB 2.0 port, so you can recharge your phone while actually using it or some other device altogether. Now it's also got a 1 terabyte hard drive in here, so you've got enough space for storage. It's on a lot of content, photos, videos, which differs from a lot of other manufacturers there. Now in terms of heat dissipation, it gets slightly warm but nothing too serious. Now besides the USB port here, you've got a power port to recharge it, which is the fastest way to recharge this. You've got a USB 3.0 port here, which you can use for data transfer and also charging, AOS port, and of course the power button on the top, and LED indicators for wireless, AOSS, as well as the battery indicator. Red means it's low, green means it's fully charged. So this is the Buffalo MiniStation wireless MiniStation Air, sorry, I call it wireless for a second. So how do you connect to this? So you have to download the Buffalo, you have to download the MiniStation 2 app. That's the application. This is the application here. Once you're in, you do have to log in, connect to its wireless frequency, and it comes up as Buffalo, whatever the number it is. And once you see that, you connect, you have to actually use the CD key, which is at the bottom of the device here, and then you can change that key whenever you want. So you change the key, you go into the settings, and you go into settings, and then you go into wireless settings, and then hit advanced, and then you can change your encryption key to whichever key you want to. Now say for instance you want to do wireless pass-through, so you're at home or somewhere else but you want to use the internet connectivity at that location as well as connect to this. So once you're connected to your MiniStation Air, you can go ahead and go back here to make go to internet connections and connect to whichever wireless point. If you already have connected to that point, it will do it. Once you click it, it will automatically put in the encryption key, or you just have to manually do it. But that's pretty much easy process. But the bummer and the downside of that is that speeds really slow down. So that's the downside with that. For instance, I have a 150 megabit connection at home, and I did a speed test. I was getting about 4 or 5 megabits doing the pass through. So that's a real bummer. I was hoping to get maybe 20 or so. So that's the only downside there. Now you can see you've got different. You can transfer. You can check out your transfer history. You can do auto uploads, so you can set auto uploads for things from your device directly to the MiniStation Air. You've also got a file explorer, so you can actually explore all the files on the hard drive itself to see what you have in here. And then of course you have images, which I guess you can go ahead and open, but it does this really interesting thing with images. It actually opens it quite slowly. I don't know why. So that's another thing about images that kind of irks me sometimes. But if you're going through a bunch of images, so what it does is tries to open all the images at the same time, and then so you can speed through a bunch of them, so you kind of get that feel with it. But you can access your images from there. Now going back again from the file explorer, if you go back, you can go to video, music, pictures, different categories, of course. If I go to video here, it shows you all the video on my system. I can decide to play one. So I'm playing a video there on the alpha on the right. I'm going to play another video here. And this is one of my favorite shows growing up. It's actually the same episode. The video actually accesses much faster than photos for some weird reason. I don't know why, but it really does that. And you can see you can skip through. Now you notice there are some slowdowns in skipping through, and that's probably because of the hard drive that's in there, not necessarily the system itself. But I'm actually playing the same episode here, and if I actually were to move back, I think I should be able to find the same scene. Yeah, there we go. They're in the car, so this is just slightly ahead, but you get the general idea here that I can watch content, I can stream that, and I can store a lot of stuff in here. Now in terms of heat dissipation, this thing actually just runs pretty cool. It gets slightly warm at times, but it handles pretty well. Now it's not perfect, but I do like the mass amount of storage. I do like the fact that it's USB 3.0, and also like the fact that I can stream my content. Now hopefully the application will be smoothed out so you can get faster connectivity between your device and and also viewing your content. Like I said, viewing photos is just kind of weird. That's a little slower. Videos just work pretty well. You can skip through as much as possible and skip back and forth. So in this case, I can go back to the scene that I was, and here I can move forward and try and catch up again. So you do get the general idea. There's like a second pause there, but overall it's nice. I like it. At 150, it's solid. If you're going on a road trip, you want to share movies with friends and all that, it's great. You can set up your own passkey so that no one can connect to it, and that works out pretty well. So overall, that is the Buffalo MiniStation Air. Retails for $159. Something I can definitely advise to go pick up. If you have any questions or any comments, let us know. Otherwise, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and favorite this video so we can make more videos for you. Do subscribe to the channel, and this is Thunder E saying thank you and always enjoy your entertainment.